Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I sharpen my knife. This is 3000 grit stone. You have to soak it in water. Most important thing is the angle. This perfect angle, you see. Go back and forth. You have to maintain the angle. That's the most important part. Dip your stone back in the water. Let's do the other side now. Angle. You see, the angle is the most important part. With a nice clean, dip your stone in water. And now we'll just do a few slides back and forth on both sides. If you want to come closer, just have a look at the angle. This is the angle that I use. The most important thing is the angle. So I'm pretty satisfied with this stone. Then we'll move on to our 8000 grit. This is for smoothing. It'll give you that nice smooth edge. So same thing, the angle is important. Just go a few times. And then we'll go a few times on the other side. And then we'll do 1, 1, 1, 1. You don't have to put too much pressure. What we're trying to do is just trying to get that edge. You see? And then we'll clean it up. So once we're done with the stone, we'll move on to the steel, the honing rod. And same thing. Important, the angle. There you go, guys. This is one sharp knife back to life.